But we're gonna be using the new St. Patrick's Day pack. But let me show you. Let me just show you some of my favorite pieces in here. Well, they're all adorable, but. Okay, I have to say I think this is my very favorite from the entire pack. I have an idea for this harp, but it's not gonna be St. Patrick's Day. Gorgeous. Look at this one. Then you have this beautiful one. Top hat. So cute. Without further ado, let me show you. Oh my goodness, look at her. We're gonna bling her up. We're probably gonna replace this. It's just like a felt. We're gonna probably replace that. And then we're gonna be doing this sign, not lucky, just blessed. And I love that so, so much. I'm trying to decide. I think we will start, I think we're gonna start with our base. Okay, I am gonna go ahead and give this a quick coat of paint. All right. So we are going to give this a light coat of liquid patina because when we're stenciling, if you make a boo-boo, not only is it a top coat, but if you, and base coat, but if you make a boo-boo, you can wipe it back easily. Sweet. Okay, so these are available on my website, homesweetcreate.org. They were designed by our Mara, but this is the, I think Diamonds in Distress or Distressed Diamonds, but it's my favorite. It's like my go-to. I love it, love it. Okay, what I'm trying to decide, I have this green wax. I haven't used this one before. That might be really pretty. I think that green wax might be pretty. It is the wax metallic paste, wax paste by Pintar, and that's, we're gonna go for it, and our fingers are gonna end up green. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. Okay. And I will do the back. My rhinestone applicator kit here. Let me grab a couple things. Okay, so there's our base. We got started. Now, this is just a little sign from Hobby Lobby. You could go in with individual rhinestones. I happen to have this gold chain. I wanted to add some bling. I think I'm just gonna do one of these right in the middle of all of these. So I'm just using the B7000. Yes, the SS16 crystals. So we just added those all in the center of those. Now I do want to 2mm bling. It is so tiny. We're gonna take this bling and we are going to just line the inside of this. Again, you can do this with individual rhinestones. I just happen to have that available. But, oh my goodness, how cute is that? So we've got our base. I am going to add some of those rhinestones to it, but I was looking for this. It's just a gold paint pen because I think this would be cute with the gold going around the edges. With the rhinestones, the gold edge, I'm loving it. Okay, and that's gonna be so cute on there. You know what we can do? Okay, I'm digging that. Y'all, should I stencil the very top? Now that I'm sitting here looking at it, I feel like I should. We'll just do this really quick, really, really quick. So we just gave it a little something, something on top. So let's get our little elf girl over here and decide what we're gonna do with her. I do know that I wanna remove this and put, I was thinking this piece would be really cute in her hand. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, that's kind of cute on her chest. Okay, maybe that's gonna go on there. Okay, so we are going to bling around her wrists. And that is the beauty of this Rhinestone applicator kit, because you can quite literally just give something a different look just by adding some of your stones. We're gonna put that shamrock in her hand. So I'm just gonna come in and put some B7000 right on her hand, as well as some hot glue. Okay, that is cute. I think I like, well, this would be cute on her hat. Okay, look already. Just adding those in the center of those flowers. Okay. I'm gonna put the shamrock up in her bow. Okay, I think that's too cute. We're gonna put it together. I do think this needs to go on here. Oh yeah, it sure does. We are going to load this up with some B7000, as well as some hot glue. Okay, so look at that clover, y'all. That clover is so good. Again. And then we blinged up our girl. I will add some more of the Totally Dazzled bling to her boots and, you know, probably other places. Let me fix her braid. How darling is she? I love her. You all have a blessed day, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.